Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. The first couple of questions were the same. In a previous video, I talked to you guys about how I was sourcing now. I told you guys a few websites that I was using to source. I also said that I was working with a couple of wholesalers, and I got a bunch of comments from you guys. My camera is shaking. Is there an earthquake happening? Why is it shaking? Okay, it stopped. One of the questions was, do I have to be a boutique certified seller to sell wholesale items on Poshmark? I'm interested in getting more inventory that isn't used or donated to have some variety. And then somebody else asked, do you have to have a reseller's permit to do wholesale? Okay, so to purchase things from wholesalers, yes, some companies and websites do require you to have a reseller's license to purchase. I have one of those. I got it through my state. I got it online. It didn't cost money or anything. It's very easy to get. But yes, some websites do require you to have one of those. Other websites do not. As far as selling on Poshmark, if you were going to sell boutique items that are new with tags, like boutique items from wholesalers, you have to be, sorry, shit's falling everywhere. You have to be boutique certified on Poshmark, and it's really simple to do. You just go into, hold on, I did this a while ago. Let me see if I can remember how to do it. You go to My Seller Tools and then get your boutique started. Hold on. Why is this saying? Turn your closet into a professional boutique for as little as $20. What? 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 All you have to do is head over to the wholesale market, buy a pack of inventory, and boom, you're on your way to becoming a bona fide business owner. Want more? Get the full details on our blog. What? Underneath that, it says complete boutique certification, and as you can see, I am certified. I didn't have to pay $20 though, so I don't know what that is all about. To become boutique certified, you have to have 10 successful sales under your belt and an average rating of 4.5 stars to unlock the wholesale market. I don't know what the $20 means. I don't understand that at all. I'm very confused. It says nothing on their website. I'm looking on their blog where it says retail life on Poshmark. What is a boutique? How do I become a boutique? Blah blah blah. There's nowhere here does it say you have to pay. So, and I know I didn't pay because I don't think I would have. Interesting. I don't know why it says that. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research, and I will let you guys know. But yeah, that's how you do it on Poshmark. It's really simple. And then again, it allows you access to the wholesale market on Poshmark. Honestly, I have purchased some things from the wholesale market, and they took a while to move. I purchased shoes. Two or three different styles of shoes. You know, I purchased like 8 pairs of each or 6 pairs of each, something like that, and they took a while to move. I feel like the wholesale market on Poshmark is a little overpriced, so I wouldn't recommend purchasing from the wholesale market on Poshmark, honestly. If you want my real thoughts, again, I have other wholesalers that I'm working with that are cheaper. Next question, do you have, nope, I already answered that one. I live in China. Can I sell on Poshmark and ship outside the United States? Unfortunately, you can't. So Poshmark is only available to people that are in the United States and in Canada. You, however, cannot ship from the United States to Canada or Canada to the United States. You have to ship within the United States, and then you have to ship within Canada. So people that live in Canada can ship to other people that live in Canada. Same with the United States. I don't know if they're going to change that. It would be cool if they did someday. I don't know. I don't know if someday we'll be able to ship international. Okay, next question. What price range do you stick around when sourcing items like Victoria's Secret and Pink in order to make a profit? So I don't give out my cost of goods. That's just one thing I just don't tell people. So yeah, sorry, I can't really answer that question. A lot of resellers don't give out cost of goods because, you know, that's just some info we want to keep to ourselves, you know. I will tell you guys pretty much anything else about my reselling business, just not my cost of goods. And I hope you guys can respect that. I always get a lot of questions from you guys asking how I white out the background on my pictures, and I've said this in a previous video before, but I'll just say it again. I use the app called Photo Room. It is so easy to use. I love it so much. I do pay monthly for it though, in order not to get the, you know, the little watermark on the pictures. You probably could edit it out if you're really, really good at Photoshop, but sometimes they put the watermark on the actual, well, no, all the time they put the actual watermark on the picture, not in the white background. If it was just in the white background, that'd be super easy to edit it out and I wouldn't be paying monthly. But they put it on like the actual item. So yeah, it's a little difficult. But yeah, that's the one I use. I have tried others and I just like Photoroom. It's really simple to use. You literally just upload a picture, tap a button and it whites out the background and then you just save the picture. Super easy to use. Getting a lot of questions from you guys asking again where I've been sourcing. I have already told you guys in a few videos, but I just wanted to let you guys know this little tip as well. So I have been doing all of my sourcing online, obviously, because you can't go into stores right now. Those stores are closed. But one thing I love to use when I am sourcing, and it's not for every website, unfortunately. That'd be amazing if it was. But the website is called Rakuten, and you get cash back from purchases that you make. It's so amazing, you guys. I use it for everything, not just when I'm purchasing, you know, inventory to resell. It's when I'm purchasing pretty much anything. Like I made an Ulta order last week and I got, I think it was 4% cash back. Today only. Should I upload this video today? I probably should so you guys can take advantage of it. Today only, they are having a 10% cash back on like a bunch of different stores. So if you sign up for Rakuten and go through their website to purchase something from another store, you get 10% cash back. And it's super easy to use. It's free to sign up. Basically, you just go to the website, sign up, and then on the Rakuten website, you choose the store that you're gonna be shopping at, and you go to that store through Rakuten's link. And then you shop and then the money appears in your Rakuten account. Every company is different. Some of them take like 24 hours, some take a couple days, some take like up to 2 weeks. It's an amazing website. Like I said, it's free to sign up. If you sign up using my link, I do get a credit and you guys also get a credit too. I think you guys get a $25 credit if you sign up using my link. I will have that down below, but again, it's free to do, and like, why wouldn't you do it? Because you're getting money back on purchases that you're already making. It's especially good for reselling too, because you can like deduct that from your cost of goods, you know? Like I just made a purchase today from Nordstrom Rack and I'm getting 10% back from that purchase. So it's amazing. I love it so much. I've been using it for years, ever since it was called Ebates. They changed the name. I don't know when they changed the name. And this isn't sponsored by Rakuten, just to throw that out there. I wish it was. Rakuten, you can totally sponsor me because I love you. And yeah, you can totally sponsor me. But yeah, they changed their name from Ebates to Rakuten. It's such a great website and I totally recommend it if you are going to be making online purchases, because they literally have cash back for pretty much any website you can think of. If they don't have cash back for that particular website, like I know right now they don't have cash back for Target, which sucks because I've made a lot of Target purchases recently. But they offer coupons. Like they have coupons. If you spend this amount of money, you get free shipping. So again, it like fluctuates all the time, the like percentages of cash back from different websites. Like I said, today is April 15th. Today is 10% cash back on a lot of stores. So I'm gonna try to upload this video today, hopefully. And I will have a link to Rakuten down below if you guys want to sign up. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.